Good evening, friends. So today we are going to start our ENT repeated MCQ. So here our first question is, what is ossicle lever ratio? Repeated question in 2018. Okay, I'm going to start from the tympanic membrane, then ossicular chain, and then we will find our answer. Okay, so basically we already know like tympanic membrane is 21 times bigger than foot plate of stapes. Okay, the size of stapes is 3.2 mm. Okay, so here we can say if one step is bone or one step is foot plate, okay, is 3.2 mm, then the surface of tympanic membrane will be 3.2 into 21 mm. Okay, it will be near 70. Okay, nearby 70. So we can say the area of tympanic membrane is 70 mm. Okay, so if we want the ratio between foot plate of stapes and tympanic membrane, so that ratio will be 21:1. Okay, ratio will be 21:1 because here 3.2 mm of foot plate we can cover tympanic membrane by 21 times, so ratio will be 21:1. Okay, chalo. As we know that only 2 and 3 of tympanic membrane is effective. Okay, so 2 by 3, or we can say 2/3 part of tympanic membrane is effective. So the ratio will be 14:1. Okay, कैसे है 14:1? देखिए 21 times tympanic membrane bigger than foot plate of stapes. So 21 multiplied 2 by 3. Okay, it will be 14. Okay, and then ratio 1. 14:1. So 14:1 is effective aerial ratio, also called effective aerial ratio. So यहाँ से अपन टोटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो भी निकाल सकते हैं। अब वो कैसे आएगा, उसके पहले अपन को ये पता करना पड़ेगा कि जो ऑरिकुलर चेन है, जो अपना क्वेश्चन है उसको डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा, व्हाट इज द ऑसिकल लेवर रेशियो। तो अपन को ऑसिकल लेवर रेशियो निकालना पड़ेगा। तो वो कैसे निकालते हैं, तो देखिए इधर देखिए, हम बोल सकते हैं हैंडल ऑफ मेलिस इज 1.3 टाइम्स longer than long process of incus, long process of incus, and that is providing the mechanical advantage of 1.3. Okay, so the given, or we can say like the ossicular lever ratio is 1.3:1. Okay, because handle of malleus is 1.3 times bigger than long process of the incus, so the ratio will be 1.3:1. Okay, chalo. So if we want to total transformation ratio, then 14 ratio and 1.3 times. Okay, so 14 into 1.3, so total ratio will be 18.2 and ratio 1. Okay, ratio 1. So this is the total ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो। 3 MCQ सोल्व होते हैं यहाँ पे। इजीली वी कैन सोल्व 3 MCQ। 3 MCQ जोन। फर्स्ट MCQ जोन इज आवर क्वेश्चन 1.3:1. Okay, second is effective aerial ratio, that is 14:1, and third is total transformation ratio, that is 18.2:1. 3 MCQ. So here is what is the ossical lever ratio. The correct answer is 1.3:1. Okay, चलिए एनाटॉमी देखते हैं। Look at this image. This is the malleus, head of malleus. Okay, this is the anterior process, this is the lateral process, and this one is the long process. Okay, and this one is the umbo. Okay, and so here according to this image I'm going to explain you the long process. The long process is 1.3 times bigger than long process of incus. Okay, ossicular chain है वो ये है। Okay, और जो फुट प्लेट है और जो टिम्पेनिक है, टिम्पेनिक मेम्ब्रेन है, उनका जो रेशियो है वो 21 टाइम्स बिगर देन फुट प्लेट। सो जनरली हम ये बोल सकते हैं 21 टाइम्स, जनरली हम कह सकते हैं जो टिम्पेनिक मेम्ब्रेन है वो 21 टाइम्स बिगर देन है फुट प्लेट ऑफ द स्टेपीज। ओके, सो दिस इज आवर एनाटॉमी। चलिए, our next question है endolymph is secreted by, so endolymph is secreted by hysteria vascularis, C option is the correct। okay, okay, so जो basilar membrane है, basilar membrane which support the organ of Corti, okay, and the resinous membrane है, the resinous membrane which separate it from the sella vestibuli, and stria vascularis है, stria vascularis which contain vascular epithelium and it concerned with secretion of endolymph। और यही अपना एमसीक्यू है, endolymph secreted by, so endolymph is secreted by stria vascularis। ओके, ये तीन वॉल होती हैं, जो ये तीन वॉल हैं वो कोक्लियर डक्ट की तीन वॉल होती है, आल्सो कॉल्ड द मेम्ब्रेस कोक्लिया और सेला मीडिया। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सर्जिकल लैंडमार्क फॉर मेस्टॉइड एंट्रम। देखिए, मेस्टॉइड एंट्रम इज द लार्जेस्ट एयर सेल ऑफ मेस्टॉइड, मेस्टॉइड एंट्रम is largest air cell of mastoid, its depth is 15 mm, approximately 15 mm depth is 15 mm। antrum is marked externally on the surface of mastoid, जो antrum होता है वो मार्क होता है externally on the surface of the mastoid by supramental triangle, or we also used to call McEwan's triangle। The development of mastoid is from squamous and petrous bone, squamous and the petrous, development of the mastoid is squamous and petrous bone। Let's see this diagram। चलिए मैं एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करता हूँ। सबसे पहले है ये अपना है एक्सटर्नल acoustic meatus, okay, this one is the external acoustic meatus, okay, this one is the mastoid bone, okay, and upper side this one is the supramental or inferior temporal line, okay। Next, this one is the mandible, and here this one is the zygomatic bone, and this one is the root of zygomatic bone, okay। चलो नेक्स्ट है, इधर ये टेम्पोरल बोन है और इधर जो मेस्टोइड बोन है ये, ओके, और यहाँ से ये जो ये ट्रायंगल है इसको बोलते हैं हम McEwan triangle, okay, and this one is the surgical landmark of the mastoid antrum, okay। चलिए, so our correct answer is the McEwan's triangle, the surgical landmark for mastoid antrum is McEwan's triangle, okay। चलिए टेलीग्राम में चल के देखते हैं। So our first question is ossical lever ratio is A is the correct answer, 47% people choose the A answer। next question है endolymph is secreted by, answer C is the correct answer, 54, and then last है surgical landmark for mastoid antrum McEwan's triangle, B is the correct answer। very good, thank you very much, all the best।